We begin at 10 with a live look at the Colorado State Capitol, which is now ground zero in the fight against a dangerous drug that has become a public health crisis in our state. Fentanyl is not only leading to rampant crime, but also an alarming number of deaths. I want to show you a graph that shows the incredible spike in the last 10 years. Colorado saw 803 fentanyl-related overdose deaths in 2021. That number is expected to jump again this year. And that's because fentanyl is being added to many other drugs without people even knowing. CBS 4's Karen Morfitt has been closely following the issue. And Karen, sounds like lawmakers are working on a bill to fight the problem. And you talked to one of the sponsors.
And Jim, the bill has bipartisan support. It includes millions of dollars for treatment, and under this bill would be required for those put in jail. It also increases penalties in some cases, but not all. Last month, 5 people in Commerce City died after unknowingly ingesting fentanyl. Before that, a teenage girl overdosed in class. It's a tragic look into the destruction the drug is causing across Colorado.
People are dying from poisoning of fentanyl, and we have to address it.
Representative Leslie Herod is among a group of Colorado lawmakers set to introduce a bill aimed at doing just that.
We are partnering a public safety approach with a public health approach.
According to Representative Herod, the bill includes stiffer penalties for those distributing fentanyl and dealers linked to an overdose death, as well as millions of dollars for treatment and prevention, things like fentanyl test strips and Narcan.
We've got to get folks that access to treatment. It is proven to work.
But penalties for possession would stay the same. In 2019, lawmakers lowered possession of 4 grams of fentanyl from a felony to a misdemeanor. It's a move some law enforcement officials and prosecutors have criticized. Denver Police Chief Paul Pazin spoke to CBS 4 about the issue last month.
The effort was to try to help people. The effect is that people are dying.
Representative Herod says it's likely lawmakers on both sides will raise their own concerns, but she says there's no perfect bill.
The bipartisan effort to address the problems that are before us today.
Now, we did reach out to the state district attorney's council. They said they wanted to wait to comment until the bill was officially unveiled tomorrow. But already tonight, we are seeing reaction and statements coming out from individual district attorney's office. They are saying that this bill does not go far enough in regards to possession. In Denver tonight, Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
Karen,